5944 Fly Fisher. I'm going to cut back the tree a little bit from the house probably. Seems like parking isn't an issue. And the sticker that can come off. So 1, 2, 3. Probably remove those blinds at the top and replace 3, 4, 5 at the bottom, 6. Let's replace 6 windows. We have a change in tile here. Countertops look really nice. Beautiful space saver microwave. 7, 8, 9, 10. So we're at 10 windows right now. Tile looks good. This is a great backyard. This side of the property right here gets a lot of the morning and some of the afternoon sun. Could probably remove that planter box and that chair. Maybe, I don't know, look at the property manager opinion on that guy in the corner. But it's great that there's already rocks, pavers, concrete, and a patio cover in place. Laundry down. Need a blind in here as well. So there's quite a steep step up. So all the hardware matches in this bathroom. This is over 2,700 square feet. Laminate flooring. Oh, you're good.
But no, it's very nice and everything's upgraded, so it's ready. Yeah, you don't have to do much to get in there.
Flooring looks good. That looks like a sticker as well. Okay, this looks like it was a loft and they've enclosed it. These are shutters, so you can have it closed for privacy, but it's still an open wall.